Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's video I am gonna share with you commonly used very easy short English sentences. So let's get started. आज मौसम बहुत खुशगवार है. Very pleasant weather today. Very pleasant weather today. बड़ों का अदब करो. Respect the elders. Respect the elders. मुझे इल्ज़ाम मत दो. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. ये किसी काम का नहीं है. He is good for nothing. He is good for nothing. आयशा का क्या हाल है? How is Aisha doing? How is Aisha doing? तुम्हें ये बात किसने बताई? Who told you this thing? Who told you this thing? मैं जल्दी में हूँ. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. वो बाहर खाने का शौकीन है. He is fond of eating out. He is fond of eating out. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I have no appetite. I have no appetite. आज जुम्मा है. It is Friday today. It is Friday today. फर्श पर मत थूको. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. आज बहुत हब्स है. It is suffocation today. It is suffocation today. मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए. I need a little support. I need a little support. मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to it. I am used to it. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया. I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone. बराए मेहरबानी किसी को मत बताना. Please don't tell anyone. Please don't tell anyone. बताया तो था ना. Told you so. Told you so. क्या खाना पसंद करोगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? क्या तुम चाय पियोगे? Will you take tea? Will you take tea? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? ये सब जानते हैं. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows it. क्या तुमने फातिमा से बात की? Did you speak to Fatima? Did you speak to Fatima? वो क्या कहती है? What does she say? What does she say? ये अब पहले से बेहतर है. It is better than before. It is better than before. तुम अच्छा कर रही हो. You are doing well. You are doing well. So that's it for today. If you like this video and found this video helpful, then click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.